One day, a wolf was very hungry. It looked for food here and there, but it could not get any. At last it found a loaf of bread and piece of meat in the hole of a tree. The hungry wolf squeezed into the hole. It ate all the food. It was at a woodcutter's lunch. He, on his way back to the tree to have lunch. But he saw there was no food in the hole. Instead, a wolf, on seeing the woodcutter, the wolf tried to get out of the hole. But it could not. Its tummy was swollen. The woodcutter caught the wolf and gave it nice beatings.